I didn't want to speak Māori, I didn't want to acknowledge my Māoritanga. And now, all I think is, why the fuck would you want to be the same as anybody else? Like, you know, like... Yeah, I know, I look like it. You know, people look at me everywhere I go because I'm pretty out of it looking with all my moko. I already had my calves done, I had my back done, I've got my whole skin pretty much done now, and I did my puoro and it was an amazing journey for me. I did a video on it. Day 7. Today was a tough day, but a good day. Yeah, good day. We smashed the most we've ever smashed out there. And that was the first ever video I made. That's what got me into this whole journey.
So Māori, mean.
Which is like so out of it to me that my Māoritanga brought me to my career.
Let's go!
My mahi started as like I just wanted to make videos for fun, and then it turned into I have a kaupapa, I'm a Māori. I have a voice for Māori. I only work in Māori kaupapa, so I work with people like Kahana, which are really cool. Because the money, that's cool, but it's the resource of knowledge, that's the coolest thing I get to take away from these things. Do the mahi? Nah, I won't say that. Yeah, so all of this will be avocados. Oh look, peacock. Use them for korowais, use their feathers. We have pigs running through here all the time. Dad shot a deer in here the other day.
A few moments later.
Oh no! We might have a bit much weight on it. Yeah, jump out. There you go. So we're in my kāinga. Tōku kai pōmeki. It's called Manaia, a little place, little village, little whārua, running off Tahu Manaia. It's a little place on the Coromandel Peninsula. Oh, whoa. Coromandel Peninsula. There's only Māori in this valley. Everybody pretty much speaks Māori because we only have a kura Māori. The centre of the valley is pretty much based around our pā, around marae. It was never growing up a thing where I thought it was different from anything because everybody around me is Māori, everybody speaks Māori in my whānau. And then when I got to grow up and then I ended up going to Pākehā Kura, that's when I learned. That's when I felt insecure about being a Māori, insecure about my reo. And I went to St. Peter's and I thought like I could speak English. And they would mock me, like, you know, they'd mock me for my dialect. They'd assume things of me. So yeah, that was a real struggle for me growing up being a Māori in a Pākehā setting. And this is Te Rerenga Wairua, so that's the Cape Reinga coming up to here, and I put it in the shape of a T for my sister that died from suicide. Yeah. Who I am is my whānau, and that's all the change that I needed to have was my parents saying to me, why does that matter to you if we're all that matters to you? I knew I had to wear my mataora, not only for me but for te iwi Māori, to normalise and decolonise our faces, indigenize our faces, indigenize our spaces. That's another thing that I truly believed this journey has led me down. And just before the last mokopapa, I went through a little bit of a thing because I struggled with depression. I didn't want to get it in that space that I was in, and I was real rangirua about it, and I was gutted when it happened because I took my name off the list, because as soon as it happened again I could see it on my face. I was like, holy heck, and revealing it has kind of taken away all those other anxieties. Still to this day, I don't even look at it. Like I didn't even go into the mirror afterwards. Like everybody says, like, "Oh, have you had a look at it? It looks so cool." And I was like, I haven't even seen it because it's already been there. That's the thing that is so weird to me. Like, but it's always been there. It hasn't changed my face at all. To me, I don't see anything different. And a lot of people say that to me too. They don't even notice it on me. because it's supposed to be there. And yeah, that's why I did it. My Māori tongue is everything to me now. That's all I am, that's all I do, that's all I breathe, that's all I think, because you can't hide who you are, and that's who I am.